everybody. It's Unit 5, Lesson 8, Loops Make. I'm just going to go through the lecture for you here and demonstrate the lock screen maker. And you guys will have to program it. There are handouts for you guys to fill out and to help you keep yourself organized. Honestly, you really should do it. Even though you're not going to turn it in, you're not going to get a grade for it, you really should use these handouts. And they're going to be available for you at the front desk starting today. So here we go. Unit 5, Lesson 8. So the activity is to go to the lock screen maker and play around with it. Navigate to Lesson 8, Level 1 on Code Studio. When I show you the app, think about these questions. Where, if at all, do you think this app is using a list? Where, if at all, do you think this app is using a loop? So do this, make the lock screen maker. This little handout is going to be really useful for you. Let's go ahead and get you looking at the lock screen itself. So explore and play with the lock screen maker app. What does each button change and what does it not change? Where do you think this app is using a list and where do you think it's using a loop? These things should be written down in your digital journal for lessons 5 through 8. So let's try this. Oh, look, I've got some stars. Okay, when I hit colors, what changes? Well, the background changes. So it kind of changes some of the colors a bit. Right? Locations. All right. Then shapes. Ooh. So the shapes, when you hit the shapes button, it doesn't change the locations. It doesn't change the colors. Right? You can see the colors. Some colors show up better than others. Right? Locations. All right. And then shapes. Okay. So that's your challenge. Now that we've seen that, remember this is your rubric. It's going to be 18 points. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3. And there's 6 categories, so that's going to be 18 points. All right. That's it.